guys. Hi. Today we're going to be doing the puppy dog training.
Okay, let's go. Stay. Good boy. Okay. So these are our dogs. This one's Poppy and this one's Max.
And they're both so cute.
Poppy's really tiny and he's very easy to hold.
He's so
On the other hand,
Poppy.
Excuse me.
Good boy.
Okay. Poppy, he doesn't do that much tricks.
Max.
But he does
Max.
do one.
Good boy.
Stay.
So he knows some tricks, but not all of them. We're teaching him how to come and
All right, now Scarlett's going to take the camera.
This is Poppy. I'm going to do Poppy real quick. Poppy. Good boy. Stand. Good. Now,
I'll do Max.
stay.
No, I'll do Max. Max, stay.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Now I'll be doing Max. Stay. Here. Stay. Stand. Max. Stay. Stand.
Max.
he doesn't know how to stand yet.
He doesn't?
But he knows
Yeah, he doesn't.
when he gets older, I want to teach him how to roll over.
Good boy. Good boy.
And Poppy only knows the trick to stand, which Max doesn't.
Poppy. You want a treat? Spin around. Good boy. Ow.
Max, your turn. Oh, you can do it.
Hey, buddy. So cute.
All right, now Max's turn. Max. Good boy.
Poppy, stay.
He's such a silly little boy. Oh, yes, he is.
Poppy,
Max.
stand.
Sit.
Turn.
Sit down. Good boy. I didn't even have to give him a treat this time.
Good boy. Good boy.
Look.
Okay.
Stand. Sit down, boy. Sit
No,
down.
I'm getting him to the
No, you don't have to give him a treat. He can sit down. Max.
No, you don't do that. You
Well, I
have
always
to
do.
stand.
Max.
You don't do that.
stand. Sit. And
I'll show you.
Boy, see, now he's sitting. You're a good boy.
Yep. And Max is our newest dog. Okay. And then this is Poppy. We might have to do another video later.
Look, Max. Stand. Twirl.
And they're really cute.
Stand. Good boy.
Max is 7 months and Poppy's 7.
That's cool.
And
They're both
this
7.
The video is almost finished. All we have to do is give Max one more treat, and we're finished.
Wait, another treat?
Yeah, we're gonna do some like
He
more
doesn't know
stuff.
how.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Ashley, it's been 3 minutes.
All right.
It's good.
There he is.
All right. Now we're done.
Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button
And put a link down below.
below. Bye.
Bye.